I think it's absolutely crazy that we don't know how our bodies work, that we're not connected to inside of our bodies, that we can look under the hood of a car and identify more of the workings or understand the mechanics of a car or the mechanics of your computer or the mechanics of your oven or how your dishwasher works, yet we don't understand how our bodies work, and we're not connected to that. That's so incredibly important. And what's so important about it is that being embodied, what is inside your body is all of the information. We have so much indecision, we have so much anxiety, we have so much fear, because what people don't realize is in your liver are the answers to what you're angry about. In your kidney is what are the answers to what you're afraid of. In your heart is what your passion and your purpose is. In your thymus is what you are not connected to and how you can get connected. I mean, your body has all this information, and you've got to get in your body. You've got to find. And what's amazing about it is that, like, they're your friends. You can actually go in and have a conversation with your heart, personify your heart, personify your liver, personify your large intestine. I love my gallbladder. Like, he's just like a crazy sort of wild little, rebel. And these pieces of you that you're seeking outside in so many relationships, these are in you, and when you can connect so deeply into your body and know how to connect and to consciously get the information and have a relationship, have a friendship with all of these different parts inside your body. It is so, first of all, it's just fun. I mean, it really is. And call me crazy. I don't know, maybe I just don't have enough friends, but my organs are like my best friends. I can depend on them to give me all of the information that I need. And then what's amazing about it is there I am with this solid crew, this support team, and then I can go out and actually have friends. So don't worry about me. But that is really important. You've got to get in your body, meet your organs, meet your cells, find out how you vibrate. That is the most important piece. Your body teaches you and tells you how you vibrate, what resonates with you, what is dissonant from you. The only way you can tell what's not going to work for you, what's going to be a failure, what relationships aren't going to be working for you are the ones where your body, you connect and you say, this doesn't work. So anyway, that's me saying get into your body. Medigraytion is a great way to do that. It's a meditation form that actually brings you in. You meet, in fact, this month the members are getting a Meet Your Organs Medigraytion, where we go in and we actually meet all of the large organs. So check Medigraytion out, and even if you don't check Medigraytion out, get into your body and meet yourself in all of your organs.